voila! Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Early in the morning, it's time for one of our healthy juice, and the one today, guys, it's super delicious, I'm telling you. This is Chef Paolo antioxidant juice. Why? Because today we are going to use two fruits full of antioxidant properties. Papaya, guys, is super famous because it's full of vitamin A, vitamin C, and even pineapple, full of vitamin C, full of fiber to help your body to detox and feel fresh and healthy. I'm gonna add some leaves of basil, which gives this really nice flavor, and some leaves of mint for the freshness, and of course 500 grams of water. Easy peasy, we already have our papaya and our pineapple chopped. We take some leaves of basil. Mamma mia, I love the taste of the basil, guys, and the smell. We take some nice leaves of mint to give this kick of freshness to our morning juice. But of course, this is a juice you can drink all day. It's amazing for your body, guys. And now, guys, is the time to put all our papaya and pineapple. Mamma mia, you're gonna love this juice, guys. Super summer, tropical, fresh juice. We add our half liter of water, and the game is done. Now, how Chef Paolo say? Easy peasy, juice squeezy. And here it is, guys. Our super special antioxidant Chef Paolo juice with pineapple, papaya, mint and basil is ready. Voila! And now, guys, the time to try. To be honest, guys, mamma mia! This is one of the most healthy, also most delicious juice I made, guys. The combination of papaya and pineapple together with this fresh kick of the mint and this balanced, really nice flavor of the basil make this juice amazing. Make a home every morning you wake up and you're gonna feel super healthy, guys. Thank you to be with Chef Paolo, always here. Next time, next recipe, se vedremo.